Hi, I'm Samantha Potter. I'm a product manager here at Allen Heath, helping out to develop AHM, which is our take on system processing, matrix processing, and generally integration and installation tools. We're here at ISE 2026, really kind of showcasing, all of our third-party control expansion. And with that, we really have this exciting announcement that we're getting to partner with Audio-Technica as our first partnership of saying, hey, if you love using these brands, there's no reason that you can't truly integrate with both of them and control multiple different SKUs from Audio-Technica easily. So you can build applications that make sense for free, really, with the likes of custom control or our CC panels or even on your phone, and have all the sound quality of both Audio-Technica and Allen Heath together. So now we don't have to pick and choose what we are forced to use or work with. Now we can choose what we love to use and what makes sense for our customers and our end users, control them easily, and then show the end user, yes, this is muted, yes, we're using AEC right now, no, we're all good to go, and they can just use the system without having to think about it. And when we're integrating it, it's much easier to deploy. We don't have to be programmers to get everything up and running. So if you want to learn more, be sure to check out allen-heath.com or at Audio-Technica and find out more about all of our third-party integration.